Rosie says, hello, everybody. We're live from
What's
Bethany
her name?
United Methodist Church. You want to be on? You want to say hi to everybody?
Yeah.
Yeah. Say hi. What are you doing today?
Hi, what we're doing today?
We're doing Bags of Grace.
We're doing Family Grace Assembly.
Awesome. So all of this stuff is going to turn into Christmas stockings for homeless young people. Look at all this. Wow. All this stuff. And you want to say hi?
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
Organizing 200 Bags of Grace Assembly today. Yay!
Thank God for volunteers.
Thank God for volunteers. Hands up if you're a volunteer. Yay! Everybody say hi, Austin.
Are we not getting paid?
Are you not getting paid? I have bad news for you.
God is giving us a good pay.
So God is good, and this ministry is awesome. Blessing Austin for how many years? 15 years. Bags of Grace have been blessing Austin. All right, so here we are. I can turn on my Santa. Here we are, and we're about to begin assembly of Bags of Grace. How cool is that?